Hello, how are you today? I wish you are having a great day. Have a delicious food and take great time and relaxing. Look at the ladies dressed up and taking photos. This street looks like for wholesale dealers. They are selling clothes, shoes, bags, everything. I aim for freedom and dream of being a free soul. As a stranger, I set out on a journey so that my body could go wherever my feet touched like water flowing. Sometimes I imagine that I have wings on my back so I can live wherever and whenever I want to. Today I'm going to Cappadocia and take night bus. Before I leave, I'm going to eat some food. Now it's a bit early, you could not see a lot of people, but soon it will be crowded. When I travel, I don't like to go to such a fast food because you can eat it in your country too.
Oh, thank you.
But I'm thirsty and want to have a milkshake. Small is 10 lira. Cheap, right? I came to a restaurant, but I can't stop watching outside because sunshine is so beautiful. I ordered the fish the owner recommended. He said today fish is the best. It's fresh and delicious so. Normally I don't put on the lemon, but today I just want to try fish with lemon. And fish is really fresh and juicy. I'm going to give a fish at the seagull. The seagull is huge and big too. I want the seagull to eat the fish head directly in my hands, but the seagull can pick my hand just try it. It's dangerous. It is so cute and his beak is too big. In my life, how can I see a seagull at a close distance? It is amazing.
say keep it. Not back like that. Like this properly. It's back in your hands.
Oh.
I'm going to eat kebab Grandma made. She got more ingredients in her refrigerator. It means she prepared fresh vegetables every day. Just she needs.
Okay. Yes. Can I take?
Did you see the size? It is so huge, and she is so kind.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Right.
It is so delicious, Grandma made kebab. There is a cat. I keep giving meat inside. Bread and vegetable is mine. I'm going to bus terminal. I thought to Cappadocia it would take 7 or 8 hours on map. But when I buy a ticket, it said it is going to take 13 or 14 hours. So I bought the bus ticket that I leave as soon as possible. 9 o'clock ticket. When you go to other place, you need to take hours. bus ride time may different from distance. Anyway, get early here, it was a good idea. Go to bus company that you checked or bought through online. Taking night bus would be a bit uncomfortable, but you can save your time. You can check at Oblit website about bus.